Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So this time we will learn classes and objects. Okay, basically whatever you do whenever you write any code, all the code you write in the class only. So it's a very important topic which you need to learn what are they and how it works. Okay, so without further ado, let's get dive into the video. So as you can see here in my screen, I'm going to write another script called class test. So whatever the script name will be, the class name will be the same. Remember. Okay. Double click on it. So you can see here our class. Whenever you create a class, you basically pass access specifier. Like you can see here, public is our access specifier. I mean, this class can be accessible throughout the game, throughout the project only. uh, Class keyword denote basically that it is the class. Okay, and class test is the name. Okay, name of that class. So, and all the class in by default inherit. That's another concept, inheritance. So you can see that this is another class, mono behavior. So it is having some property which is going to access our user defined class, which is called class stats. So whenever you write the start function or update function, those functions comes from mono behavior class only, right? So this is our class. If I want to create, like if I want to create an object of this particular class, so I need to write simply what are the objects. So like the way we understood the variable, like public, int and variable name, same we create object of the class. Okay, you can say it's a variable of of class type. So same way we declare the object of the class, like public. Okay, now class name, which is a class test. Okay, then object name, let's say here we will pass class obj equals to new and then class test. So what we are doing here with this line, what we are doing, we are creating a public object. The name of the object is class object. Okay, and its type is class test. So this is, I think you understood. Now right side of the equal, what we are doing in the memory, new will create a new will allocate a memory for this object. Okay, and we are here we are calling constructor of the class. So constructor are uh, constructor basically we use to initialize default value of the object, or yeah, of the object actually. So we are calling default constructor of this particular class here, right? And let's say this class is having two variable, int a equals to 10, int b equals to 10, right? And I'm going to create another class. So create a script test class or perform operation, perform operations, right? I'll click. Now what I'm going to do here, I'll simply create a uh, object of the class which will be the type of class test. Okay, so public, in the start function, void start, I'm going to create an object of class test or tst yeah, obj1 obj equals to new class test. Okay, now what I'm going to do, obj dot, and the name of the variable was a and b, right? A, wait a second, obj a, it's public, no, it's not public actually, that's why we are not able to access it. So yeah, public. Now obj dot a equals to, if I write, because there is a default value, right? So obj dot a plus obj dot b equals to, I'm creating int sum and just trying to debug it, right, whether this prints or not. So a value should be 10 and b value should be 10. So the sum of these two value will be 20, right? It should print actually. Let's create an empty object called test classes and attaching these two scripts in this class. Now whatever happened, let's see what it's doing. In the start, you can see 20 is printing, right? So the same way we can change the value over here, like 30 plus 10 should print 30. 30 plus 10. No, here we need to change 30 plus 10. Right? 30 plus 10 is 40, right? So that's how the object and classes work in Unity. We'll understand more while we make actual game. But I think this is basic knowledge you should have at least, so that while we make game, you will be not surprised while making game actually. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. We'll see in the next video.